The part at the top, which has the white, was encapsulated in the fairing. That shows the Atlas fairing, which is then put around the vehicle, and then the fairing plus the vehicle is...
It's important to know that this mission is really has a purpose of setting us up for the day when we'll go to Mars and do the life detection experiments. It turns out those are pretty hard to do, and you actually need to know a lot about Mars to understand where to go to do those experiments. So the goal of this, as Doug mentioned, is to look for habitable environments on Mars. These would be environments that are capable of supporting life.
We inject on the Centaur upper stage, and we are kicked off on the cruise trajectory. It takes 8.5 months for us to get to Mars. We are a slow spinner, and that traverse. We arrive at Mars doing about 12,000 miles an hour. We kick off the cruise stage, and we enter the atmosphere. You can see the thrusting of thrusters that we use to do the precision landing that both Doug indicated and Ashwin showed the landing ellipse. At 2,000 miles an hour, Mach 2, about 1,000 miles an hour, we kick out the parachute, drop off the heat shield at about 10 kilometers high, and then about 2 kilometers high, we drop off the descent stage and propulsively lower ourselves toward the planet. When we're a couple hundred meters off the ground, we actually lower.
It's not your father's rover. This is a 2,000-pound machine that's over 6 feet tall. It's truly, as Dwayne said, the largest and most complex piece of equipment ever placed on the surface of another planet.